welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again unique, creative and somehow beautiful in itself, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, simple and easy to make hand embroidery design ideas of neckline, hemline beautiful patterns. All of these beautiful neckline bot neck embroidery patterns are entirely based on 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches, and all of the embroidery stitches are very easy to make and all of them are beginner friendly. That is, hand embroidery beginners, hand embroidery artists, the persons who are in search of very beautiful, simple and at the same time easy to make embroidery patterns. Then friends, this video collection is absolutely for you. Even these beautiful patterns could be used for different type of stylization and patterns, but the beauty of these patterns is that you can enhance their creativity, styling and look, elegance, and beautify them more elegantly by using beads and pearls. So different type of different length and different variation of sizes of beads and pearls could be used. Even you can use pressed stones, rainy stones as well to increase or to enhance or to beautify these design patterns. Friends, the basic motivation, the basic idea, the basic purpose of sharing these design patterns with you is to share some creative and extremely unique, eye-catchy, but at the same time very simple and easy to make design based designer ideas of hand embroidery. You can make these designs onto your teenager girls, onto your baby girl dresses, onto office outfits as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe.